Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to transfer XRP from crypto.com to Ledger Nano S Plus. First thing I want you to do is launch up your crypto.com app. Come to the bottom, tap on account, go and look for Ripple or XRP. Here you should find it. Tap on that, tap on transfer, tap here on withdraw, and then here you'll see withdraw crypto, tap on external wallet, and then tap here on add wallet address. Go ahead and choose Ripple or XRP. And then what I want you to do is go ahead and copy this Ripple address, and you have your wallet name. You can set these up. Now what you do is you go open your Ledger Nano S Plus, come to the top right, tap here on add account. After you tap on accounts, tap on add accounts, go ahead and choose your crypto asset. So here we'll do XRP. Go ahead and click on continue. And now you have to connect the device. So the way you do that is you come to accounts, choose XRP, and then choose receive. Go ahead and choose the amount to credit, click on continue, enter the address for the XRP right here, just copy the address, paste it over, and say that you want to trust this address, enter your passcode right there, tap on withdraw, say that you do trust this address, and then tap on withdraw again, and just go ahead and confirm this transaction. Really that easy. If you found this video helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. Really helps me out as well.